Thank you so much for speaking to me. I love your, they call you Rockstar DSP. I mean, DSP also, Rockstar also. What do you make of this title that you have, Rockstar DSP? There, you can become a movie character. Yeah, they should make a movie, Rockstar DSP.
Yeah, actually, I don't know how that even happened. You know what? Even it
Hmm.
just evolved. Actually, my name, the full name is Devi Sri Prasad. I'll tell you a long. I mean, the long story short. Like, Devi Meenakshi is my grandmother's name. Prasad
Huh.
Rao is my grandfather's name. Like my
Huh.
mom's parents. But my dad was so close to them, so he named me Devi from my grandmother, Prasad from my grandfather, and added his Sri. It became Devi Sri Prasad.
Huh.
So first, when I started my albums and all that, the label owner said Devi Sri Prasad because that time I was like, uh, I was still in school, like 14, 15 years
Huh.
old. So he said,
Huh.
Devi Sri Prasad sounds very mature, like a very grown up man. It doesn't sound young. So you have to change your name. I said, no, no, no. My dad gave me this name. I'll not change. Whatever I do, I'll do with this name only. So
Huh.
I continued like that. Then I became a music director like that. Then people, when they started writing reviews, this new guy this new kid on the block, Devi Sri Prasad, is doing a great job. And suddenly they rounded it off to D3P. Then it became DSP. Then since I also perform and dance on stage while singing, like I'm a huge Jackson fan, Michael Jackson fan. So
Another high five.
yes, Ilayaraja sir and Michael. But if I actually turn the camera that way, you can see two huge posters of Michael Jackson, and outside there's a huge wall size photograph of Ilayaraja sir. These are the only three things that and my guru, of course, Madeline Srinivas ji is my guru. So I call him Anna, Madeline Srinivas
Huh.
Anna. So so when my friends, everybody, they just call me DSP.
Huh.
Since I keep performing on stage, so they started announcing whenever I used to be on stage. Okay, now we have this rock star on stage, rockstar DSP, rockstar. So then automatically people started going rockstar DSP, rockstar DSP. Then one of my films when we did Singham, I did Singham original in Tamil with Surya and all that. So when those movies started, even without my knowledge, the producer started putting like a stamp on the posters, audio posters. And then they started writing Rockstar DSP, Rockstar DSP.
Lovely.
Everything just evolved like that.
Beautiful. But if there was a movie to be made, Rockstar DSP, who would you cast as the Rockstar DSP?
I'll cast myself.
Chalo. May as well. May as well. May as well. Chalo. But anyways, Rockstar
Actually,
DSP.
there are a lot of movies which they wanted to cast me, but since I'm more immersed into music, I was not taking the time off.
Yeah, you can do a Kishore Kumar. Now, it's been a long time since we had somebody like a Kishore Kumar
Yeah.
who sings, who dances, and and acts also. But anyways, Rockstar
I think
DSP, that's the moment.
nowadays the platform is in such a way that anybody can do anything as long as they do it well.
I agree
People
with
are ready
you.
to,
And
yeah.
but
So,
now your CT Maroing, which is like a adaptation of your famous song now for Salman, and you and Salman also go back a long way with Dhinchika, which also became an anthem because I remember when Reddy came out, they all forgot what the movie was. Only Dhinchika kept playing everywhere I went. I
yeah.
mean, it became an anthem of sorts. So, what was it like? First it was on Alu Arjun, the original, and now Salman Khan. Both have that kind of fan following in their respective industries. What is it for a composer and a singer to adapt to a different actor who have the kind of persona these two have?
Yeah. Okay. Before I get there, I really got connected to what you said about Dinka Chika. When Dinka Chika
Yeah.
came, a lot of when I was in Bombay, a lot of the media people who met me, they were asking me about Dinka Chika and Ready, and a lot of them thought that I was the music composer for the entire film Ready, because the Dinka Chika took over like that. Then
Yeah.
I used to tell them, no, no, I did only one song. I said, you did only one song, but we thought you're the music director because sometimes when the song becomes too big, I think that's what happens. But it was too sweet of Mr. Pritam also because for the audio launch, Salman Bhai had called me and Bhushan ji had called me to perform on the stage. First, I was like little, skeptical because who knows me in Bombay? How would I come and perform? I said, no, no, just come. Then Salman Bhai said, I heard you're a rock star on stage and all. I heard you dance and sing, so you perform for one song, I'll perform for one song. So I performed for Dinka Chika, he performed for the other song. So it was fun. But the way Dinka Chika became huge, I really enjoyed, it became like a trump card. Everybody was like,
It became bigger than the film. The
yeah, yeah,
song was bigger
exactly.
than the movie.
Even now, there's no show, even when I perform, there's no show, we always end it with Dinka Chika. So it became like that. So, yeah, and coming to Sitimar now, again, when I'm working with Bhai, I was so happy because Siti Mar is one song that I always wanted to do it in Hindi, because
Huh.
even when I composed in for the original, I put the word Siti Mar like a hook. So I knew it would work big time in Hindi, and it's most of my songs have Hindi hook lines. I have that
Yeah.
influence in me because I think it's Hindi is very music friendly. The language is very musical. It's got more single syllable words, and it fits into any tune, and is reversible. So Hindi is always good like
Hmm.
that. So most of my tunes, I sing the rough words in Hindi. So
Hmm.
CTR happened.
Honestly, tell me, I mean, how do you bring an actor's personal essence to the song? Because a composer's job also is tough because,
Yeah,
like, a singer modulates his voice according to the personality of the
definitely,
actor.
definitely, definitely. So if you see, Bhai has a charisma that see, some stars are larger than life, that whatever they do becomes viral or sensation. Like
Hmm. Hmm.
for
Hmm.
example, in Dinka Chika, the dance was so simple. He just put his two
Hmm.
pockets like that as Dinka Chika, Dinka Chika. That became viral. When you hear Dinka Chika, you can't resist yourself from doing that thing. You have to,
Hmm.
you know, and it became so viral that if people are wearing some pajamas or something where there are no pockets, they used to complain, "Arey, I have no pockets." You
True.
know,
True. True.
became so viral. And I think Bhai is an expert in grabbing that thing. Even his other songs like Take a Swags and what is the Swags and Sabka Swagat. In that also the Swags that so he does things. He knows what to catch with the kids and with the youth and with
True.
everyone. Even take it whether kids or elderly people, whatever. When a dance movement is easy and catchy, people feel like doing it. In a party or in a
True.
club or
True.
whatever. I think that magic, because even I did one of the songs in Jai Ho also, the heroine's introduction song. That time I was at Bai's farmhouse. He had invited me. So then this choreographer was there, Buddha sir was there. So he was showing different choreography steps. "Arey, ye to thoda change karna, make it a little more easy." So Bai knows the exact pulse of the audience is what I feel.
Yeah.
And when coming to City Mar, of course, Prabhudeva Master is there. And what more do we want? There's
True.
Prabhudeva Master, the legend of dance, and there is Bhai,
Yeah. True.
the
Or
king.
for that matter, true. That is Salman. Now Alu Arjun, for that matter. Even your southern
Yeah,
compositions, like you're composing for Alu Arjun's Pushpa also, which is
yeah.
and the original was on him. How do you like read him? Like, what's his like
See,
hook?
Allu Arjun is a great dancer that, like, we all know, and we're also great friends right from childhood. So we
Hmm.
all started also together. So all his beginning films, right from Arya, then Arya to then most of his films, I did music, and we both have great, mutual admiration and respect and love for each other. And Allu also keeps so many times he told on stage that Devi has been one what a great instrument for every step of my life, because when the song is remembered, the hero is remembered. That's a great,
Absolutely, I agree.
that's a great compliment to be given by a hero. So that
Yeah,
way
yeah.
he really respects and loves me a lot, and I really respect and love him a lot. So when we work together, I put in all my efforts and experiments into the songs that because I knew he will dance, and he really works hard to get some dance moments, and he also calls and says, David, this sounds, even you tell me if you think of something, then we sit together, discuss sometimes, and he shows me, see,
Wow.
thinking of doing this dance. And whenever he comes to Chennai, straight in whatever work he comes to Chennai, whether for some other film or my work or some other work, he calls me and comes directly to my studio from the airport. So we sit, we chat, we eat something, and then he dances and shows me. Then I play some music. It's like that between me and him. So I
Wow.
think that is, that also transfers into work, right? Knowingly or
Absolutely.
unknowingly.
True.
So yeah, that way I know what he exactly, I know what exactly will suit him, and
Hmm.
he also knows exactly what I'll give. And it's a
No,
challenge, right? And even for
totally.
Pushpa, I kind of almost finished the whole album. And Sukumar sir, we have always been a great combination, like Nanaka Premato, Arya 2, and whichever Rangastalam, whatever I did with Sukumar sir, because he's very experimental with the scripts. And when the script itself is experimental, it really pushes us, a step higher, and it really inspires us.
You're also somebody who is handling pan India music. I mean, doing for Hindi and then, of course, Southern. What are the challenges actually? How is it different? What are the challenges and a change you want to see?
Yeah, that's a good question. But first, I have a very simple answer for this, which is
Hmm.
and which has to be believed. One thing is music has no language, which
Absolutely.
I really believe it. Okay,
Totally.
and another thing that is helping me is so I'll tell you for an example. I've done the same song called Aakaleste Annam Pedta Alizoste Oil Pedta for Chiranjeevi sir. Then I did the same song in Tamil for Daddy Mummy Vittil Illa Thadaboda Yarum Illa for Vijay, for Ila Darpati Vijay sir. Both were blockbusters. And
Yeah.
in Hindi, they wanted the same song again, but then this is for not even for a small film that we did called Daddy Mummy Hey Nahi Ghar Pe Na 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 Na, and that was it took all the FM stations by storm that year.
Huh. Huh.
But what helped? See, it's the same track. I didn't change anything. In
Hmm.
why I'm talking about that particular song is how adaptation helps when we know the language a little. I know Telugu, I know
Yeah.
Tamil, and though I can't, I'm not very fluent in talking in Hindi, but I do understand very easily,
Hmm.
and I can deliver whatever. There will be a lot of grammatical mistakes, but I write and read Hindi. So when my lyricists come out with the lyrics, that's why they sit with me and write. So I don't adapt the same lyrics that I put in another language to another language. I just use the tune and then make it what do you call to that particular language. You know, every that owning that thing is there, right? So so that platform, when we put it in the right on the right platform, I think the song will hit the right chord. That's why
Absolutely.
most of this, some songs, when some people do now, it'll be a super duper blockbuster in one language, but when they shift the language, it might not become the same huge hit because of the wrong lyrics.
True.
Yeah.
True.
So even in CTMR, the original lyrics concept is totally different. But in Hindi, it's totally different. Hindi, we want to make it like the song itself is about dance. Nachle, nachle, arma, machle. Then disco, get on to the dance floor. Volume thoda loud karke, nachenge once more. So we made it more like a dance number. But in Telugu, it's more like a romantic number between uh, the guy sings about the girl sings about the. But
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
Hindi, party songs are more wanted always. So we want to make it more
Absolutely.
like a party song.
True.
And then
True.
and then the beginning I changed. And in the beginning itself, I wanted it to start with City Mar, City Mar, City Mar, City Mar. I did some process vocals and all that. So I wanted the song itself to be remembered as a City Mar song. So these are small things, but which actually help a big way sometimes.
Yeah. Totally. And also, as you know, what do you think of remixes? Rahman sir had put up this post of a man burning when he saw his songs being remixed. What is your like when you see your song being turned, twisted? What is your take? Do you feel that they should at least
I don't know.
ask me
My
before doing
songs,
that?
my songs haven't been done like that, but I definitely uh, support the original composer and the compositions. Not just because I'm a music composer. Even when Rahman sir songs were twisted and made, even I was one of those people who supported Rahman sir because see, some songs are legendary, whosoever song it is, and keeping aside the fact that whether they are legendary or not, every song has got certain amount of effort and love that goes into it. So you can't
True.
just separate that from the original creator. And see, even I was approached from Bollywood for a few songs when they wanted me to use the hook of an already popular song. That's how a lot of songs are being made, right? And then they wanted me to create a song and then put the hook, but I said I can't do it because it's someone else's baby. It's okay if I
Yeah.
don't have another song. If I don't, it's okay if I don't have another big stars film or something. That's not what matters there. Ultimately, what makes you happy is only when you do things that you really want to do. So you can't
Absolutely.
pretend to be happy. That's the worst thing or the best thing about being happy. So first you have to be ethical. And even I always put, even I was the one who started right from the beginning of my career, that for every song I put the names of every artist. Even if there's a
Yes.
chorus, I put all the names. Even there's a one Shana player who does pepe, I put the name. Even if there is a guy who just hey 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 some shouts, I put that name. I feel
Yeah.
that credit, the due credit must definitely go to that particular artist, whoever does, because
Absolutely.
everything matters. On a wholesome thing only a song becomes a song. So you can't just take someone's song and just remix it, and just because it becomes a hit and then the credit is going to someone else. I don't think
I
that.
totally agree.
Yeah, even
Absolutely agree with that.
see, in the beginning days when I was in school and when we started listening to a lot of songs, then a lot of songs were remixed. Even that time when they started making albums like R.D. Burman sir songs and all that, remixed versions. But
He
that
still
time,
remixed.
at that time, the entire credit was being given to the original composer. It used to be called as an R.D. Burman song remixed by someone else. So that kind of helped in a few ways, because my generation came to know about those songs because of the remixes. Otherwise,
Absolutely.
like Chura Liya Hai Tumhe Jo Dil Ko. And the remixes also were beautiful, but the credit was given. Even in the video, the original composer was shown. Whatever. We came to know that, oh, somebody so and so did this song. But now what's happening is the credit is being transferred to someone else, which is not right, is what I feel. It is not
Absolutely. I totally agree with you.
Machale, machale, armaan machale. Hey, de 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 de, mujhe pyar de de, de 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 de, pyar de de, de 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 de, तुझसे ले ले. City mar, city mar, city mar, city mar, city mar. Jump mar, jump mar, jump mar, jump mar.
Wow. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. Don't be surprised if they have a movie called Rockstar DSP out soon. Maybe with Salman and Allu Arjun and you in the lead.
That sounds cool. Maybe even if it's a movie like that, we can have Salman Bhai as a guest in one song and Allu Arjun as a guest in one song.
Perfect. See, we got the casting right.
Tell them the national media wants you, so you have to do this.
Absolutely. All the very best. Thank you so much.
It was great talking to you. Thanks a lot.
Same here, likewise.
Before we wind up, I would like to thank all the North people for loving my music. Whichever song I did, Dinka Chika, Aunt Amlapuram, Daddy Mummy, and now Sitima, every time they are just loving my music and giving me so much of love. Thank you so much. And very soon I'm also going to come up with some singles. Hope you all give me the same amount and same kind of love. And very soon you're going to see me in another couple of big Bollywood movies. Hope you love those songs as well. And I'll talk to you, Preeta ma'am, very soon when we are releasing all those.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All the very best. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye.